Yeah, how to send and receive cryptocurrency using Trust Wallet. Hello guys, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon so that you'll be notified once I drop content like this. Now on this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can send and receive cryptocurrency to your Trust Wallet. You can do same with other exchangers or whatever, but then this video is specifically for Trust Wallet. Now, you must have that very project or crypto coin or token imported on your Trust Wallet before you can be able to use it. If you don't know how to import any token, you can click the video in the description, the link on the description section to get access to a video I made on how you can import any token to crypto to your Trust Wallet. Or you can just check around my channel, just type on the search bar, type how to import crypto, or find any video like that. I have a video like that, I've created a video like that. You can check it and you'll be able to see to how you can import such. So after importing, you are supposed to have them like this, the same way I have this very project here. So once you are there, the next thing is to get your receiving address. Now, if you want to receive from anybody, then you have to click on receive. You click on receive, you send this scan code to the person, or you copy this. So you click on this to copy your contract address. And while copying, you need to know the very network that the project is on. Like this very one, this is a BEP2 token. So you can't send a BEP20 token to let me say to Tron TRC 20 TRC 10, I think, yeah, to another blockchain entirely. So you need to be mindful of the blockchain you are sending through so that you don't just lose out. So now you click on copy and send what you have copied to the person that is going to send you that token or coin. So once the person sends, it's coming directly to your wallet because that's your unique receiving address. But if you want to send to people, you need to get their receiving address, tell them to copy their receiving address. After they have copied, you come to this place, you click on send, then you'll be asked to insert the address here. So here is to scan. You click here to scan their code if they sent the code, or you use their address. You insert this address, then you insert the amount of coin you want to send. So if this is what you want to send, then once you do that, you can see continue. So once you click on continue, you'll be able to send the coin to that contract address. So guys, that is how to send and receive any crypto token to your Trust Wallet. I hope you find this video valuable. Don't forget to give the video a thumb like so that YouTube can take it viral to other people so that they'll be able to get access to this and we keep spreading this knowledge. Thank you. And if this is your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I drop valuable content like this.